In fact, we have a third plea that has now been filed. The centre moves the Supreme Court over Agnipath scheme. The centre is saying that the court must hear the government side pleas against the Agnipath scheme. And there is another petition that is being challenging the Agnipath scheme filed in the Supreme Court. This is the third plea that's been filed against the Agnipath scheme. All three pleas so far have been filed by lawyers. The third plea has also been filed this time around by lawyer Harsh Ajay Singh. Earlier, two pleas were filed by lawyers Vishal Tiwari and ML Sharma. We have my colleague Sukirti joining us. Sukirti, a third plea that's been filed against the Agnipath scheme, and the centre saying that first listen into what we have to say before you can make any sort of decision.
Well, yes, Divya, this is significant because this is a scheme that has been very vehemently defended by the centre in the last few days because of the widespread protests that have been unfolding all across the country and in which even train engines have been set on fire. So, but despite the centre's clarifications, there seems to be a lot of controversy with these pleas repeatedly being filed in the top court of India, and three pleas so far, all of them filed by lawyers, three separate pleas. All of them challenge the Agnipath scheme, and they not only say that the scheme is unconstitutional and has been formulated without any consultation process being carried out, but it also says that an SIT should be formed to assess the damage that has occurred across India after this scheme was announced. So three pleas challenging the Agnipath scheme. However, the central government, in a significant move, has moved the top court, filing this caveat, saying that no decision on this matter should be taken until we've been heard in court. However, it's important to point out that while the pleas have been filed, it's only the filing that has been done so far. They have not been listed for hearing yet. So we do not know when the matter will come up in the top court. But for now, what we can say for sure, three pleas against the scheme, and centre moving the top court, saying that we should be heard as well.
Right, Sukirti, we will keep tracking the story for more on that. Thank you for joining us.